Volax is perhaps the most authentic place on Tinos, boldly special and distinct in a way that makes it unique in the Cyclades or even the world. Designing a building that continues or complements the dramatic landscape of Volax is, therefore, a true challenge. Aristides Dallas Architects placed this house among the rocks of Volax, a small village on the Greek island of Tinos known for its lunar-like terrain shaped by large, rounded boulders. In respect for this unique landscape, the house was designed as 3 separate volumes arranged around a central patio. No rigid or organized layout was followed. Each part of the house was freely placed on the site in an almost anarchic way, as if it had fallen from the sky and simply landed there. In other words, exactly like the volcanic spherical rocks of Volax. Inside, the rigid shell gives way to transparency. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels open the interior to the outside, revealing a secluded open-air patio that marks the heart of the house and extends all the way to the rock formations at the back of the site. The 3 volumes house the main functions of the residence and vary in height, size, and material. On the north side, a boundary was created to shield the space from the northern winds, a raw, unpainted concrete volume. The use of exposed concrete makes the house look like a rock itself. Over time, as the colorful aggregates begin to appear on the surface, the building will blend even more seamlessly into the landscape. The overall shape of the house, a long, narrow rectangle, accentuates the stones it rests upon and enhances their roundness by setting them in direct contrast with its own linear geometry.